Happy Vlogmas Day 5. I'm getting ready and I'm watching Zoella's Vlogmas. Her Vlogmas is one of my favorites every single year. So I'm watching her right now and doing my makeup. And as I said like 2 days ago, I'm going to show you a little bit of a tutorial today of my eye look. Yes, I am wearing the same cozy sweater. I'm not wearing it to work. I just slept in it because it's just so soft and cozy, and I just felt like continuing to wear it. So here's the eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me do like a little mini tutorial. It's just like a really fun gold eye look, blown out a little bit. I really wanted to do a really deep wine lip because I've been watching Riverdale again, and I believe it's the most recent season, and Cheryl Blossom is my favorite on the show. I love her personality. I think she's hilarious, and I always love her style and her makeup. So she's been wearing, her signature lip is a red lip, but this season she's been wearing a wine, like a deeper red lip, and it's gorgeous. I think she has lip filler, so her lips look a little more like full and luscious. Nothing's wrong with my lips. I'm not like saying I don't like my lips. I just don't have lip filler, and so I don't have that like, there's like that bubble effect from people that have lip filler, you know, that I don't have. But I still think this lip is so gorgeous, and I have a feeling I'm gonna wear it a lot this season. This is MAC Diva. I will try to link it down below for you guys. It's a matte, and it literally matches my nails. Pretty dang perfect. And it stains your lips too, this color, so I wanted a liquid lip, But I think this is going to be more comfortable for work because I talk a lot at work, answering phones, talking to patients and everything. So liquid lips just don't really wear as well when I'm talking all day. They start to like crumble and does not look as good. So I think this lip will do a better job. All right, I'm gonna go change and fix this, I don't know what, up hair right now. Oh, my tree makes me so happy. So girly. I still have my wedding dress back there. I still haven't brought it to the salon, my bridal salon. They do the deep cleaning, like the preserving your dress or whatever. I really need to get that done. But they're not open on the weekends or Monday when I'm off. So it's really hard for me to get over there because they're only open till 5. Who's gonna do that? Ain't nobody got time for that. I still need to put jewelry on, but I just put my hair up again because it's supposed to rain today. This, I'm pretty sure I got at Buckle, but not this year. This cardigan, whatever we want to call it. It has little fringe details all the way around. And then I just have like a black tank underneath that's like a stretchy. I tucked it under, but because these pants are high-waisted, it just didn't look right. I just don't know how I feel about this outfit. I kept changing up. I had the leather jacket at first, and I just thought it looked too try-hard with the bold lip and everything. So I nixed it. So hopefully this looks okay. And then I've got my new Army jeggings on from American Eagle. They just have a little bit of distressing in the knee. These really cute booties. They look kind of like combat boots with fur. These are from Target, and they do have them in brown too. I absolutely love them. I've never worn them yet, so that's why they're nice and clean. I don't have to worry about putting them on the carpet right now. We're watching the New York tree lighting. We try to watch this every year. I'm at Mama B's if it's not obvious.
It's the start of the holiday season.
Mom, they were like dying at you saying, "Oh, loosey goosey," like with the massage. Yeah, so far we saw Neo. Brett Eldridge was the best so far.
Yeah, he was the awesomest.
Harley's next to us.
Yeah.
Hello?
What can I get for you?
Hi, can I have a large Diet Coke with extra ice and a large regular Coke?
Anything else?
That's it.
It's gonna be $2.17. Last before.
Thank you. Getting Chris and I some refreshments before I go home to watch a Christmas movie with him. Wednesday night, I'm sorry, it's really dark. Just being illuminated by the golden arches of McDonald's. On Wednesdays, I usually go over to my parents to have dinner with them and like watch a show with them or like spend some time with them in general. And then sometimes the boys like spend time together, or sometimes they spend time just doing their own thing, like, like playing PlayStation games or watching a game or something, like things that I don't usually do with them. Not gonna lie. So yeah, just picking up some caffeine for us, and I don't know what we're gonna watch tonight. We've been watching this show. Can't see me worth crap right now. We've been watching this show on Netflix, and I can't remember what it's called. I forget what it's called. I'll insert like a little picture of I don't want to say the billboard, but you know what I'm talking about, like their poster. It's actually kind of cute. It has Dennis Quaid in it and Ashley Tisdale from High School Musical. Who else watched High School Musical as a kid? I was kind of I mean, I saw it because I babysat kids that watched High School Musical, but I'm like the generation right before that. But I can't lie. Wow, cats. How does that song go? Wow, cats. I don't know. There's one song from that movie that I always think of when someone says something. Anyways, not important. It's kind of a cute show though. It's like a little like comedy, lighthearted show. And okay, now you really can't see me. I'll talk to you guys when I get home. I wanted to share our centerpiece with you guys. I love the burlap ribbon. I got this at Kirkland Home. I got it on the Black Friday deal when we went, and it was 25% off, but it already had some percentage off, so I think I got 35% off if I'm not mistaken. Don't mind our mats that we use. These are like easy wipe off mats, but they're not stylish. The middle pieces though. I think I definitely need to get taller candles, obviously. But these were the only candles I had on hand. But yeah, I love it. I'll make sure, I keep trying to link everything for you guys just so it's easy. So if I do see it online on Kirkland Home, I'll make sure to link it for you guys. I'm pretty sure they're still having a sale. And then I've already showed you guys how cute the lights up here look. The little holly branches. I just opened some Just Fab boots. Got 2 pairs in today, and I will share them with you tomorrow, but I'm really, really loving these brown pairs so far. They're so comfortable, and they have a warm lining in the insides, kind of cushiony. They're so nice. So I'll share them with you a little bit more tomorrow when I have a different outfit on. All right, guys, day 5. Ooh, something other than treats this time. Look how cute these earrings are. Oh, I love them. I'm totally wearing these tomorrow. So cute.
Salad and iced tea and dressing on the side.
Pasta and tomato salad. Very light on the oil. Can you do that? And I'll have a Caesar, no dressing. And one of those homemade cookies, the warm chocolate chip, no nuts. And a little slice of cheesecake, creme brulee, and hot fudge sundae. Extra hot fudge.